Hello guys, I just started my forever hardcore world. Ooh, a blacksmith, let's go. Hope there's diamonds in there. Please. And also, I got inspired to make this video by my friend Twist. He's a really good Minecraft player who also makes videos. Here's the channel. He made a video on how he got the maze in his hardcore world. But back to the video. So I got some decent iron gear. That's pretty good. But let's get some blocks to tower up. And I should probably also get some wood. Okay, nice, a wooden sword. Die. This seed is actually good. Oh, there's also a wooden portal. That will allow me to go to the nether. But if you want me to make more videos in this hardcore world, like and subscribe. And also I will put my friend Twist's channel name in the pinned comment.